Hi everybody! Where are we at?
Minnehaha Falls.
Minnehaha Falls. Look at the view behind us. Isn't that so cool? There's a guy fishing down there. We haven't seen him get anything yet. But it definitely is beautiful.
We're like right in the middle of the city.
Yeah, if you look around us, it is just...
We're just in a random park.
Buildings. It's a park with this.
Yeah, head down the stairs.
Huh?
A lot of stairs.
A lot of stairs. Alright, we are going to try. We've got mochi donuts. We are driving back to our Airbnb because we ended up buying candy, some being chocolate, realizing we can't leave it out in the car in the heat. So, let's try some food. They look delicious. We've got an Oreo, Fruity Pebbles, strawberry, churro, circus, and the original glazed. Hi guys! We're in Wisconsin. Clean up after yourself. Okay. Whoa. Professional photographers are required to have a commercial use permit available at the park office. But we're not professional photographers. Whoa! Oh my god. Holy moly.
You can go behind the waterfall.
We're doing it. We're fucking doing it. Yeah. My feet are wet.
This is Wisconsin, the cheese place.
just hold this? It's recording.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome, thank you. That was awesome.
Dude, that camera cannot hear you.
No.
Normally it can.
No.
How was that?
10 out of 10. Yo, it was beautiful. Sorry.
By nature.
I'm loud.
I know. That's why we don't see anything.
It was so beautiful. Oh my god, I wanted to cry. Dude, behind the waterfall, you just feel the mist. He saw a fish try and jump over that waterfall, which was really cool.
It was like that big, like 6 inches. It was
Funniest thing is, I was recording when you said that, so I might have gotten it. We don't know though. Oh my god, we were doing the jumps, so fun. I was so nervous.
We did 2 jumps.
I was so nervous. I was like, I'm gonna let you go first. When I saw you pop back up, I was like, okay, I guess it's safe. And then I just went for it.
I'm now just going to find some blue weed, have a couple cocktails, and I'm going to bed. You know, I wouldn't fuck these kids down.
Yeah.
Molly's and this fentanyl and all.